If you're searching for the best Coursera courses for developers, check the description first because I've linked the current Coursera discount there if it's still available. Now, the biggest mistake developers make is taking courses that are too broad. The best developer courses are the ones that directly improve your ability to build, deploy, or work with modern technologies. For most developers in 2026, AI and machine learning skills are becoming increasingly valuable. That's why many start with the machine learning specialization, to understand how modern AI systems work. If you're interested in data and AI development, the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate is one of the strongest options because it combines Python, data analysis, machine learning, and practical projects. For developers who want to improve their AI workflow today, prompt engineering courses can provide immediate value by helping you work more effectively with AI tools. Python developers often benefit from Python for Everybody, especially if they want to strengthen fundamentals before moving into advanced topics like automation, AI, or data science. And if you're looking to expand beyond coding, Google's Cybersecurity Certificate and cloud-related learning paths can help you understand infrastructure, security, and modern technology environments. The reason these courses stand out is that they focus on skills that are actively shaping the software industry rather than outdated technologies. So, if you're searching for the best Coursera courses for developers, software engineering courses, AI courses for developers, machine learning courses, Python certifications, or developer career growth programs, here's a practical ranking. Start with machine learning specialization. Add IBM Data Science if you're interested in AI and data. Learn prompt engineering for immediate productivity gains. Strengthen your Python skills if needed. Then explore cybersecurity and cloud-related programs based on your career goals. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and honest reviews before spending money, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we regularly share here.